Good morning, ma'am. I'm Dharvi Vela. Here we are present our presentation on the topic of budget on transport sector with my group member Vishal Gupta, Shivam Tripathi and Sanjit Bhadoria. Union budget on transport sector 2020-21 1.70 lakh crore for transport infrastructure in 2020-2021 budgetary allocation of rupees 22,000 crores to power and renewable energy sector in 2020-2021 budgetary allocation of rupees 8,000 crores over a period 5 years for national mission and quantum technologies and applications. Transport budget 2020 to 2021. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Saturday announced a slew of measures to boost India's infrastructure sector, including setting up investment clearance cell portal rupees 1.7 lakh crore for transport sector. 2019 to 2021, the total expenditure on the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways for 2019 to 2020 is estimated at rupees 83,016 crore. This is 6% higher than the revised estimates for 2018 to 19. In 2019-20, while revenue expenditure of the ministry is estimated at rupees 10,957 crore, capital expenditure is estimated at rupees 72,559 crore. 2018 or 2019, the budgetary and extra budgetary expenditure for the infrastructure sector has been increased from rupees 4.94 lakh crore in 2017-18 to rupees 5.97 lakh crore in 2018 to 2019. Further slide will be continued by Vishal Gupta.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Gupta and I am explain the slide logistic policy. A national logistic policy will be released soon. It will clarify the roles of the union government, state government and key regulators. It will create a single window e-logistic market for the future generation and next generation for the improving employment skills and making MSME competitive. This line said by Nirmala Sitharaman. And next is road transport. The budget has decided for the road transport is 19.6 lakh crore to build and improve the road across the country. And Prime Minister has highlighted 1 lakh crore would be invested for the infrastructure over the next 5 years for our future. And next is air transport. The budget of India has separated for air transport is 3,797 crore to civil aviation with a particular focus on improving regional connectivity by building 100 new airports for formulating a cold chain by farmer produce. Air traffic has been growing rapidly in the country as compared to the global average. 100 more airports would be developed by 2024 to support Udan scheme. And next slide will be explained by Surjit Singh Bhadoria.
Railway. 30.69 lakh crore has been allocated for railways with focus on electrification of 27,000 railway tracks, building cold chain on the rail, more private train and solar power capacity to be set up alongside rail tracks. More Tejas types trains will connect iconic tourist destinations. High-speed train between Mumbai to Ahmedabad will be actively pursued. 148-kilometer long Bangalore Suburban Transport Project at a cost of 80,600 crore will have fares on the metro model. Central government will provide 20% of equity and facilitate external assistance up to 60% of the project cost. Next slide continue by Shivam Tripathi.
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Tripathi and I am continue my next slide that is on railway. So on the railway, our government has allotted 13.69 lakh crores with focus on electrification of 27,000 railway tracks, building cold chain or railway, more private train and solar power capacity to be set on alongside rail tracks. So we have to more trains like type of Tejas. Trains will connect iconic tourist destination high speed. That train maintained Mumbai to Ahmedabad would be actively pursued 148-kilometer long Bangalore to Sovereign. Like that transport project at a cost of 18,600 crores would have fares on the metro model. Central government would provide 20% of equity and facilitated external assistance up to 60% of the project cost. So now we have the next slide, that is seaports and inland waterways. So our government has allocated budget Rs 1.01 lakh crore on 4 seaports alone, and our central government wants to make a framework keeping with global benchmark needed on efficient seaports. And like as inland waterways received the boost at the last 5 years. So the Jai Vikas marks on the national water I will be completed further 890 kilometers. Dhubri Sayata connectivity will done by 2022, like that. So now we have the last segment is the metro rail. It has earmarked Rs 200 crores more than metro rail project like Gorakhpur and other all cities. In the batch of 2020 and 21, budget set a target for the construction of 4 lakh houses for the weaker section with a year at least schemes to be the youth make a living. So now we have on the conclusion that India is a developing country, and the budget of 2020 and 21 shows on transport that is a healthy budget for the transport sector, because we have to maintain our all sectors, and we are focusing all sectors. So we thanks to for our finance minister for the that type of layout of that type of budgeting of transport sector. Thank you.